Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. In this situation, the highest power is about s to the power of 3. This one that is about s and represent about the power number 1. So because number 3 is bigger than number 1 in here, so we can use about long division. So that means I will put this one go in here and this one go in here. We need to create about the long division in here. So we see that this is about number 3, this is about number 1. So we need to multiply by s squared in here. So s squared multiplied by s, we have s to the power of 3. S squared multiplied by number 3, we have positive 3s squared. Later that we need to minus two equations together. S to the power of 3 minus s to the power of 3, you got about 0 in here. Negative number 2 minus with positive number 3 in here. Negative with positive number 3, you got about negative number 3. So negative number 2, negative number 3, we have negative number 5. This one we have negative number 5. So we need to multiply by negative 5s, because negative 5s multiplied by s, we have negative 5s squared. And 4s we can put in here. Negative number 5 with number 3, we have negative number 15s. Now we need to minus two equations. This one you got about 0. Number 4 minus negative number 15. We have number 4 plus positive number 15. We have positive 19 s. Because we have the positive number 19, we put about positive 19 in here. So this one multiplied by s, we have positive 19s. And then I will put negative number 1 go in here. This one with number 3, we will have about positive number 57. So we have the negative sign here. This one with this one we cancel. Negative number 1 with negative and positive with negative, you got about negative number 57. And this one we will have about negative 58. So about this one we can write like this. So we write everything in here. And we have remainders, that's about negative 58. So we can put in here over s plus 3. And we have the s. After we got about this one, so we can find the final answer in here. The integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. About this one, we have s to the power of 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. The next one is about 19s. And the next one, that's about negative 58. ln of the absolute value of s plus 3. and then we put about c in here. Now we simplify. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.